Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 4 with the FreeCAD software. First you can click create new, and in it I will change into part design, create body and create sketch. You can choose this top plane or FC plane, click OK. The next in here I will create line, you can create a circle, start from this point. I will set for radius in the circles into 40. Now you can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out, or you can press middle mouse to use pen. I will create again circle, start from this point. You can set radius into 15. And the next you can create circle with radius 7. You can click from the center point, set radius into 7. In here, I will create distance with this horizontal tools. You can click from this point, center point into here. You can set into 85. And now I will create line. You can click at this point and move into here. Next, click again from this point, move into this point. Okay, you can use a trim command to cut this circle. Also we cut in here and at this point you can see it will be automatically connected. And now in here we can click close CAD. The next I will use path command to convert this CAD into 3D models. You can click here path tools and we can set for length into 10. So you can click OK. Now in here I will select for body, make sure this body is active body, and can select at this edge. You can zoom in to make easy select at this edge, and also you can use fillet tools. You can click here fillet. You can set a radius in here into 15. The next I will add another edge. You can click here and you can use orbit. You can press middle mouse and press shift button to use orbit. You can select in this edge. You can click OK to apply. So it will be automatically fillet in edge selection. You can see in here. Okay. The next I will create new body. You can click these tools. Create new body, and I will select at this face. You can use a create sketch, make independent copy. You can click OK. And now in here we can create circles. Start from this point. I will set for circle radius in here into 25 and press OK. The next we can close CAD and use path tools to extrude the circle. I will set into 30 and you can click OK. Now in here I will create new dentum plane. You can select at this face, use these tools, dentum plane. We can move this dentum plane in z-axis into -15. You can click OK, so it will be placed in the middle. The next you can make sure body 1 is active, toggle active. And in here we can use the mirror tools. You can click here mirror. Okay, in here we need to activate this body and choose the mirror tools. The next I will use select these two options, path and fillet. Click OK. Now you can mirror, like you can change an axis in here like base FC plane, or we can use select a reference. And I will select at this dentum plane. You can click OK. So it will be automatically create a mirror. You can right click in this dentum plane and we can click toggle visibility. I will select at this face, and now we can create new sketch. We can create circle, start from the center point in here and set for radius into 25. The next you can click close and you can use path tools to extrude with length 5. Click OK. Now in here I will use boolean tools to combine this all object. You can active this body one, you can click toggle active body, and now we can use this tool, boolean tool. So we can add body and you can select this body. Click OK to apply. So it will be automatically combined between these all objects. The next I will select this place and you can use FreeCAD. We can create circles. In here with a radius 15, can set into 15. Click OK. Okay, close again, and then we can use this tools bucket to create holes. I will set into 60 for length, and you can see in the center point here it will be create holes. Okay, the next you can click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple 3D models for exercise number 4 with FreeCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.